Got a bulb blown in your car? Don't pay somebody to fix it. Today, I'm gonna show you how to fix it in 4 easy steps. So hit that subscribe button and let's get straight to the point. Step 1, we have to see how that bulb comes out. So we're gonna focus on this amber turn signal bulb right here. And it happens to be just a twist lock bulb. All we gotta do is spin it to the left. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. And then we can pull that bulb right out of there. Step 2, we have to make sure that we replace the bulb with the right type of bulb. So obviously this is an amber colored bulb. We need to make sure we put an amber back in it. Step 3, we are going to put our new bulb back in here. We're going to line our twist lock up and spin it to the right. And step number 4 is for you guys. If I helped you out, make sure you help me out. Give me a like on this video. Hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments, what are you working on today? As always, thanks so much for watching and have a great day.